Hey there! Welcome to Knife Solution. Discover the Cutco 21-piece kitchen knife set with cherry finish oak block review, highlighting its features, pros, and cons. This knife set offers superior quality and an elegant design, making it a must. As for any kitchen, join us as we delve into the details of this exceptional set. Comprehensive set. The Cutco 21-piece kitchen knife set includes a wide range of knives to cover various cutting tasks in the kitchen. It includes 8 table knives, a paring knife, trimmers, a Santoku chopper, a chef knife, a carver, and a slicer. This comprehensive set ensures you have the right knife for different cooking needs. High-quality construction. The knives in this set are made with high-quality materials and feature a durable construction. Cutco knives are known for their attention to detail and craftsmanship, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Cherry finish oak block. The set comes with a stylish cherry finish oak block for storage, providing an elegant and organized way to store your knives. The block helps protect the blades and keeps them easily accessible while adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen countertop. Versatile knife options. The set includes a variety of knife types, ranging from table knives for everyday use to specialized knives like the Santoku chopper and carver for more specific tasks. This versatility allows you to handle different cutting and slicing needs efficiently. Ergonomic design. Cutco knives are designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring a comfortable grip and precise control during use. The knives are balanced and easy to handle, reducing strain on your hands and making your cutting tasks more effortless. Pros and cons. Pros. Wide range of knives for different cooking needs. High-quality materials ensure durability. Stylish storage block adds aesthetic appeal. Precise and comfortable handling. Trusted brand reputation. Cons. Relatively expensive compared to other brands. May lack specialized knives for specific tasks. Requires regular maintenance for optimal performance. Overall customer ratings 4.6 above 5. If you want to buy this product, check the link in the description. View more helpful video from our channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.